different shows and different kitchens and different sets. Today I decided to bring you in my own kitchen where I spend most of my time. And let's make an Indonesian soup today called Soup Sayur, which is a favorite among my family and most of my friends love it. So they've requested for this soup. It's a very simple soup but very flavorful. So for this soup we start off with sauteing a little bit of garlic. You can use any cooking oil. Just a little bit of cooking oil. I've got garlic here. You have to mince this garlic very fine, or you could use garlic paste. So we have to brown this. Garlic is almost turning brown now. Just a little more. Here we go. We have nicely browned garlic. We keep this aside for the moment. Now I'm going to boil some water for the soup. As the water is boiling, let me introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. We've got some vegetables here, like carrots, bok choy or pak choy, some places they call it pak choy. Then we've got cabbage, bean sprouts, some potatoes. You could use sweet potatoes if you like, some fried shallots. The shallots here are the small onions, the very pearl onions. Chopped celery leaves. This is Chinese celery, which looks like this. White pepper powder, and simple as that. Okay. Water's boiling. I'm going to add these peeled and diced potatoes. They're raw potatoes, so they take long to cook, so these go in first. Then we add in our carrots. So we let these cook. The idea is you've got a good flavorful stock, and we'll wait for them to cook, and then we'll add in the softer vegetables. Now these carrots and potatoes are half cooked. I'm going to add in the fried garlic, the garlic that we just fried. A little bit of white pepper powder, some salt, these carrots and potatoes are now cooked. We can prepare till this point and keep. Just before serving, we add in our cabbage. Let it simmer for a minute more. Then we throw in our bean sprouts. And lastly, bok choy. Everybody knows what bok choy is. It's available all over the world now. What you need to do is, let me show you how to cut this. You get rid of this hard stem, and depending on the size of the leaves, you break them. It's about this size. Not chopped very fine. So there goes in our bok choy. Just a couple of boils more, not too long. Now soup is ready to serve. Yeah. It's absolutely delicious, light. You can have it for lunch, a light dinner. Healthy, delicious. Now you're going to garnish this with fried shallots. Try and use homemade shallots. It makes a huge difference in the taste. Some chopped celery leaves. This is the Chinese celery. And here we go, our soup is ready. It's really yummy with steamed rice by itself, and I just love it with this Indonesian sambal. Yummy, delicious. Do try this for your family and friends and let me know. I'd love to hear from you.